Hi, it's Jesse from BoldGrid. I'm here today to help out one of our users with the bug that they're experiencing. Michael is trying to reset their password, and they've received the email and the link, followed the link, but there's nowhere to enter the password. So Michael, I'm going to walk you through how to get past that. So this is actually a bug in some old versions of the BoldGrid themes. This was updated some time ago, so when you do get logged in, make sure that you update your themes. But for now, to reset your password, so right here I'm looking at the reset field. And as you can see, it looks just like you've described. There is no password here. So here's what you're going to do. In Chrome, if you right click and hit inspect, in Firefox this will say inspect element, but they both do the same thing. That'll open up your browser tools. And I'm going to go ahead and move myself so I can get out of your way here. And what you'll see in these browser tools is over here on the right side are your CSS rules. So what we're going to look for is we're going to click this plus to add a new style rule. And here I want you to type hashtag pass1, hit the tab key to move over, and type display : block. And as you can see, that makes the password field pop up here, and you can set your password to anything you like. So just to go over that again is right click and hit inspect, add a new style rule with the plus button here, and your style rule is going to be hashtag pass1 and then display : block, and that will get your password field to show up again. And once you get logged in, just remember, update that theme. Thank you, Michael. I hope that helps. Let us know if you have any more trouble.